Hello, my name is Dean Prochnow, and no, I'm not great at making videos, okay? So please don't dwell on that. Dwell on the message that I want to pass on to you, the delivery driver, because this video is all about you, the delivery driver. Maybe you deliver pizzas, maybe you deliver packages, maybe you deliver people, okay? No matter what exactly you deliver, I want you to listen up because in this video, I'm going to let you in on something that can have you making a lot more while delivering a lot less, okay? Now, if you do like what I'm about to share with you, simply engage with me in the comments below. Leave me a comment and I'll reply back to you, all right? So the reason I state in the beginning of this video that it's for delivery drivers is because that's been my main number one source of job income and how I've paid the majority of my bills for the past 12 years. I've been a FedEx driver, an Uber driver, a pizza delivery driver for about 5 different places. And so I can relate to other delivery drivers and understand your frustrations and all the things that suck about the job. But keep listening because I have found a way that you can deliver less and make more. Now let's talk about some of those things that suck about being a pizza delivery driver. And the reason I specify pizza delivery is because I've done that for about 10 out of the 12 past years, so I understand that job the best. Things that can suck about pizza delivery is the best time to be delivering pizza is during dinner time, which means that you don't get to be with your own family at dinner time. That sucks. Wouldn't you rather be with your own family eating dinner? I know I do. Another thing that sucks is another time that we get really busy during pizza delivery is during bad weather, snow, rain, freezing weather, which means that you are the one that's having to be out there in that crappy weather. That sucks. Wouldn't you rather be at home? Big holidays, another great time to be delivering because we get really busy. 4th of July, New Year's Eve, Christmas time. But guess what? I'm betting you would much rather be spending time with your own family on the holidays. Am I right? Working holidays sucks, don't it? Pizza delivery drivers earn a low hourly pay, usually $3 to $4 an hour, because the main pay that we get is from tips. Which brings me to pain point number 5, non-tippers. They suck. Got to drive 10, 15 minutes one way and then 10, 15 minutes back to the shop. And for what? A buck or two delivery fee? Doesn't even cover your gas. So non-tippers, I think, should all get toilet papered. Don't you agree? They suck. A lot of times drivers are called and asked to work on their scheduled days off. I hate that. I've already made plans. Don't call me on my day off. That sucks. Pizza delivery drivers carry cash, therefore, they're a big target for getting robbed. I actually worked with a guy that got stabbed. Getting stabbed sucks. Yes? Delivering pizza is a job. And at a job, you're trading your time for pay. And when you don't work, you don't get paid. That sucks. Which brings me to the solution that I stumbled upon. This solution will help you break free from all of the suckiness, okay? By allowing you to be able to quit your job much sooner, by allowing you to build up your bank account monthly, compounding your income, by allowing you to build up and create passive residual income that continues to come in month after month, whether you work or not. Now, let me get one point crystal clear here before your mind starts wandering and you start assuming that you think you know what I'm talking about. Um, Number one, the solution that I have found has nothing to do with you having to sell anything. No selling products, no selling services, no sales at all, period. Okay? Number two, the solution I found has nothing to do with you having to refer others or recruit people. All right? It is simply a skill set that you learn once that you can use for the rest of your lifetime that can build you wealth and retire you from delivering in a very short amount of time. So if you can relate to me on any or all of these points I've made in this very short video, and you'd like to see the solution that I found for me and my family, a solution that will get you off the road and back to your own family, generating you the big type of paydays that you deserve, simply engage with me in the comment section below, and I will get back to you as soon as I can with some information. That's all I have for you today, guys. Leave me a comment below, and I'll get back to you ASAP. Bye for now.